Hello, everyone, and welcome to Computer Science 2. I'm your instructor, Henry Estrada, and I want to take this opportunity to tell you a little bit about me. I got started in computing while I was an undergraduate at UCLA. Upon completing my degree, I went on to graduate school at UC Berkeley, where I majored in computer science. After finishing my degree, I took my first assignment as an instructor at UC Berkeley, teaching Introduction to Computing. After a year or so, I left to take a full-time position at the Lawrence Berkeley Laboratory as a staff scientist, working in computer modeling and in scientific computation. It didn't take long for me to get the startup bug, and I left for the Silicon Valley shortly after that to work for several startups. In those days, startups were here today and gone tomorrow, enough so that I decided to look for a teaching job, and actually found one at Evergreen Valley College, where I started teaching in the IS department. My initial assignments were in programming, beginning in advanced courses in Pascal, C, C++, Perl, and Java, and also courses like systems analysis and database management systems. I also went on to teach the calculus sequence and linear algebra before I settled into teaching full-time in the computer science department. Since then, I've been involved in developing a degree program in computer science for transfer. And when I'm not working on computer science, I find myself spending time with my family, eating meals together, hiking and traveling, and also watching action movies. When I'm not hanging with the family, I do an awful lot of reading. I read stuff in philosophy, history, political science, economics, investing, and more recently in data science. In particular, the areas in data science that I'm interested in are machine learning, high performance computing, and also privacy and security, obviously a relevant topic today. I'm making every effort to make this Computer Science 2 course a foundational course for computer science majors who want to transfer and take upper division courses, as well as a solid capstone course in programming for students who want to move on into data science. I'm looking forward to working with you and our journey together to develop a course that works for either of you who are going into computer science or into data science. And let's get started. And goodbye for now.